Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today we're going to be doing a haul video, which I haven't done in a long time. I ordered a couple things because I'm going to the Renaissance concert. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you what I got from Amazon. I got a couple things from Windsor. I went shopping at Victoria's Secret, so might as well just put it in this video. So I'm thinking of just trying on the clothes at the end of the video, and I'm just gonna unbox everything and show you guys what I got. Yeah, let's just get on to the video. So first, this is big box. My packages all came separate, so I don't know what specifically is in here, but let's find out. First thing that I got was this cowboy hat. I just got white because I am gonna be DIYing this hat. Oh my god, how cute. This front, this one front. I'm just gonna, this is a shirt I ordered. So I got this shirt. I don't know how it's gonna fit, but you tie it up here. It's a little crop top. And I got some options because I wasn't sure if this was gonna all look good. So we'll see. The next one is this medium box. This one's a little heavy, so I'm not too sure. No, I think I know what it is. Oh my god. Dang, these are heavy. Oh my god, you guys are not gonna believe it. These are so freaking cute. This is just B6000 glue for my hat. I'm so excited to put these on. So finally, the smallest box, and then we got other stuff. We're gonna unbox this one. So in these bags, they're like tummy control shirts. I got this one in black and white. These are the tiles that I'm gonna be putting on my cowboy hat. It's just gonna fit with the theme for the Renaissance. My glittery boots, my glittery hat. It's just gonna be perfect. Next, we're gonna go with the Victoria's Secret bag. Nothing really special. Bras and underwear. Victoria's Secret was having like a sale on like get the third one free. So I got 3 bras, normal nude bra, a white bra, and this other new nude bra. And then they had a get 5 for 30 sale for underwear. So I got these cute ones. Normal black, a little nude moment, another more my color nude moment, and another black. Alright, so finally, the last bag, Windsor. This store, I love this store. It was like perfectly themed for Renaissance or like festival theme. I don't know, but they had it all. Just not my size for some reason. The only thing that I got from Windsor for my, for Renaissance was this like jacket thing and these hoops and necklace for my feet. Just in general, I want to start wearing heels more often. The rest of the stuff I actually got more of like formal photo shoot business girl outfit because I have a photo shoot coming up for, you know, aesthetics because I have a job now. So I got these really like nice pants. This shirt, I don't know which one I was gonna go with, either this one or this one. Y'all can let me know. So that was pretty much everything so far. So now I guess we can go try it on. The only thing I will say I didn't get, because they didn't have my size, was the shorts that I wanted, which I might DIY. We're just gonna improvise with some other shorts. Okay? Oh my god. I would give this a 9. Only because it's kind of hard to put this on. Well, not hard, but like you have to tie these yourself. So that's the only reason. Other than that, oh my god, it's so cute. Dang, I look good. I guess I'll keep this on. Let me put my shoes on. Ah! Which I don't think this jacket would go good with this shirt because of these. Is this a look or what? Not with these shorts. So this is the second shirt. This is the tummy control one. And let me tell you, it's tight. Maybe this one will go with this. What I wanted for these shorts to be like jean and then Kadinga gems hanging down, and then this is gonna be all like glitter like this too. So just try to picture it with me. We'll see. I like this one more. I don't know why. I just think black is my thing. Why are my shoulders this big? I don't know. I feel like a freaking nightmare. It's cute. I'll probably wear this with something else because it's just not going with everything. Black. No, it won't look good. That was pretty much it for the Renaissance outfit. This is for my photo shoot. This is what I got. This shirt, these pants. I don't know if to wear this one or the other one that I'm gonna try on. Y'all can let me know, but this is very cute. This is the other shirt that I was talking about. You know, it's a see-through moment. So this one gives like a cute businesswoman. Like, I'm super nice, come talk to me. The other one's like businesswoman, like fierce. Don't talk to me if it's not about money. You know? So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Let me know if you like haul videos. I don't got the money for it, so no te pases. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and CherreBeautique. And I will be back with my next video. Bye.